Hello and welcome to Academic AI. In this video, we will show you how to use our scoring guide tool to generate a structured rubric effortlessly within seconds. Now to get started, you have to first click on the scoring guide segment on the website. Once you click on it, you have to enter a few details like the year level. It simply means the class in which your students study. Let's say my students study in 4th class. So I will select 4th grade. The next one is the standard or objective. Now my objective is to assess their basic spoken English, right? The next one, assessment or assignment title. Here the assignment title means that you have to tell what topic have you given them. So I have given them to talk about themselves, which is my introduction, okay? And assignment description, it should have facts about themselves, all right, like what their name is, in which class they study, their hobbies, family, etc., right? That is it. And at the end, what about the scoring scale? I want to assess my students out of 10 points only, okay? So my introduction is of 10 marks. Now, any other additional customization for scoring? No, I don't need that. Now, I will simply click on generate, and within seconds, our AI will create a detailed rubric in a clear tabular format. See, here we are. I just can't believe within seconds it has given us this table using which I can assess and score my students on spoken English, on basic English, right? I hope you can have a look at these criterion. Yes? Great. I hope you liked it and I'm sure you're going to try it. So thanks for watching and try our scoring guide tool today at Academic AI and streamline your grading process. Happy assessing!